Hey guys, so I'm going to do a few videos today, just running around with the kids, but I will do a few videos. Hey, so our car is now overheating and I'm just sitting in the car, so I thought I would just give you a bit of a update on my scars. So I'm currently 4.5 weeks. That's my joint replacement side and my disectomy with fat graft. Now, one thing I wanted to touch base on is that I'm a blonde, so I was worried about dyeing my hair, and there was quite a few comments about the shaving. And sorry, so some of the questions that I've been getting are about the shaving and shaving of the side of your head where the incisions are, and how nerve-wracking that can be. I actually felt that. I was very concerned about that. So two things I want to discuss is, firstly, I'm a blonde and I was worried, could I dye my hair? Certainly can, actually. So my surgeon gave me the approval to do that, and I have dyed my hair. My roots are all done, so that was a big one for me, and it didn't hurt at all. So, well, not normally than the normal pain. Now, in regards to the shaving, yeah, so you can see that they did have to shave my incisions and my hair, and I'm quite lucky that I have hair that I can just wear down and over. If I wear it like that, you can see, so I tend to just wear it behind my ear like that. If you do have thin hair though, it's okay. It will grow back, but maybe something that you could try is get some just some hair extensions, so like some tape or some weft, just placing a few above the shaving area. They will have that put back during the surgery, and maybe that would just give you some volume over the shaved area while it grows back. So that's something that I would probably consider if I didn't have the hair that, like, my hair is okay, but it is nerve-wracking and it's normal to feel that way. I definitely did, but yeah, there's not really much you can do about it. They have to shave the incisions, and just tell your worries to your surgeon. Alright, so the next video I want to do is on my updated diet. So I've been able to eat a few more things, and I'm going to show you, so that'll be cool. My week this week has been a little bit difficult. So since I started my paddle pop sticks and my physio, it's been a really hard week. So it's very painful, but I'm positive I'm part of the process. So I will touch base soon.